The most frequent question asked from most mixed martial artists is, how do I merge mixed martial arts with my boxing? That's the key question that's been asked over and over and over again. So what we wanted to do is show you over the years how we knew that there was a manner in which you had to go by doing it. First, make sure you have your principles intact on that side of the banner. Then, as you see right here, Pup here, he's a boxer. So we used to fuse the peekaboo style and the Philly shell in one merger. Over a 1 year, 18-month period of time, he developed the skill set. So as you can see right here, he's doing the slips and slides like the Ray Robinson. One of the key things that we master is the science of our defense. And then as you see right here, he's executing side steps. Now that's a boxer against a much more skilled fighter. But having those options, the peekaboo, the Philly shell, all merged into it with the masterful footwork of Sugar Ray Robinson, he was able to escape and turn the fight around. Now, when it comes down to our MMA fighter, George's a kickboxer, Muay Thai, and he also now competes in boxing. One of the things you're gonna see here is certain things that we do in our masterful footwork. Here is George executing a sidestep pivot with a equal experienced boxer, but at the same time, George had different options. This is one of the drills that we do inside of our peekaboo. It's a sidestep, boom, boom, explosive move off to the side, pivot with a 3-2. And you see right here, it gets the job done. That's him in the boxing realm. And as you can see right here, now you see George, now he's executing this in an MMA ring with the principles intact. Do not allow your head to be positioned where you can be kicked, kneed, or any of the above. That's kind of what it is. I know you guys are looking for the same recipe or an even better one that the guys in the UFC have mastered, like Stipe Miocic and TJ Dillashaw. And now you're looking at guys like Conor McGregor who've taken their skills and came into the boxing ring and performed well. That's what we are here to do. What we here at Master Boxing are focused on is merging the worlds, and that's what we're supposed to be doing. And over the first tender of my career, that's what I did. In boxing, it was focused on becoming a master coach, a teacher, and a professor in the sport of boxing. And then this tenure was to merge the worlds. Not only taking our skills and mastering them for ourselves, but making sure that the mixed martial art world could benefit from the science of boxing if it's taught the right way. We have guys in the UFC coaching from Master Boxing, like Rashad Holloway, who's the coach of Tony Ferguson. That just doesn't happen by chance. We understand the science and kind of what it is now. At this point we are now in the school of boxing, this is exactly what you're going to learn. You're going to learn the 1, 2, 3 process of becoming a master combat warrior inside of the ring. It's 2 ways to do it. There's the right way, and then there's the way that you'll search around for years and years and years trying to figure it out, how to make all of this stuff you're getting from different places one science. It's not possible. Let's take this ride. Who's ready to sign up now? Peace.
MB, Master Boxing all day.